Good morning, students. Have a peaceful day. Today we can go through the portion Class 6th Biology, Chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants, Part 2. Now we can go through the main parts of plant that you studied in the first chapter. Once again, you can recall the parts of plant. The main parts are root, stem, leaf, flower, etc. The first plant part we are going to study is stem, and you know that the stem conducts water to the different parts of the plant. For checking this, you can do the activity from the textbook by using red ink or blue ink. After doing the activity, you can see that the ink enters in the plant. First, we can check out what are the main parts of a leaf. First one is tip, blade or lamina, margin, midrib, lateral veins, petiole, stipules and stem. As we know that leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant because green leaves plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, that is in the preparation of food. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. The main vein which lies at the middle of the leaf is called midrib. And now we can check out leaf venation. What is called leaf venation? The design made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. If this design is net-like on both sides of midrib is called reticulate venation. Here you can see that so many branches are there like a net. So this is the reason this is known as reticulate venation. In the leaves of grass or banana, you can see it is arranged in both sides. That is called parallel venation. In this picture, you can see there is no any kind of network arrangements. Such a kind of leaf venation is known as parallel venation. Venation means arrangement or design. The next main part of the plant is root. Do you know what is the main function of root? The main function of the root is absorption of water and minerals from the soil. There are mainly two types of root, that is main root is called tap root and the smaller roots are called lateral roots. In this picture you can see that the central portion is the main root, that is called tap root. Plants with roots do not have any main root. All roots looks similar. In this picture you can see that, and these are called fibrous root. The next part is flower. The reproductive part of the plant is flower, and we can observe variations in flower types. Some flowers are reddish in color, some are white, some are yellow, etc. The main parts are petals. The leaf-like structure you can see below of the bud or flower is called sepal. It is greenish in color and also having stamens and pistils. Stamens are the male parts of the flower. Pistil is the ovule producing part. Ovule is the organ that forms the seeds of flowering plants. The seeds which we are getting from the fruit is actually the ovule. Ovary is the lowermost and swollen part of the pistil. Ovary will develop into fruits. So seeds will develop from the ovule and ovary convert into fruit.